Oh, and we have to go there. Shit. Okay, it's not as funny. Guess we gotta go for it. Are we recording? No, oh! Tree!
Yo, we're passing Wilshire, boys! Yeah! It's slick out, man. So if it's wet on the road, think about how wet it's gonna be on the trail. Probably pretty wet, right?
Oh no! Oh no! There's too many branches in the way! Oh no! Oh no! And we're BB deep right now. Oh god! Whoo, shit! Okay, that was not bad.
I got myself in a little bit of a pickle here.
Oh, it's deep. It's like to my BB. Oh my god. Oh, I'm not going anywhere. There's no bikers coming. That's a good thing. Whoa. Oh, that's deep. I'm trying to remember where all the stuff is. Oh! I jumped this yesterday. Woo! I see how deep it is. Whoa, it's taking my wheel. Whew! That's a plunger. This thing's waterproof, I guess. I don't know. I'm a little concerned. Let me do this. Oh god. My whole wheel's in there. That's not what I wanted to do. So we do this, and then we just gotta beeline it. Okay, that was not too bad. Whoa, I really fall off. Whoa, oh shit. Whatever, fuck it, let's go. It's totally like right in my field of vision. I can't see shit, bro. I can't see shit. Whoa. Oh, fuck. I can't see anything, dude.
I gotta do 2 gases because race car sound like Jeff Gordon.
I had to fix the jump because there's a tree in the way. So I pedal. Yeah, there's a tree in the way. This GoPro's in my face a little bit, but it's a lot better. Okay, okay, that's not good. Whoa. Yep. All right. Back into it. Oh yeah. Whew. We're flopping all over the place. It's gonna be a little bit slower than last time, maybe. That was scary. I was like, oh, couldn't even really see. Whoa, another. Oh. I knew I could run over that tree. Oh, there's a puddle here. We're definitely storm chasing. Woo-hoo. Wow. We're flying like the river on this one. Whoa! 1 foot on cliff. Almost fell off that one.
To be honest though, this camera is in my face.
Whew. Oh my god. Oh! Tree! I heard It's a river and I can hear it on Sullivan. It finally got good and it's back to square one. Whoa. I guess that's fine actually. What do you think? What do you think, Elasti's? It adds a little trail zest, doesn't it? Just like, sorry, look, can you get zesty a little higher? Oh. I would kill for a Coca-Cola right now. Glad you all liked the video. Sorry my GoPro died after going in that river. It's still working now. I don't know why it just kept going off. The screen's broken, I can't see anything. It was snowing like towards the end too, like sleet and stuff, and it was pretty miserable. All in all though, super sick ride. Glad we were able to get out there and still ride even though it was just pouring rain. Hope you guys stay safe and hope you guys like the new GoPro angle. I put it under the visor, my downhill helmet. I think looks pretty good. The chesties coming soon, so I'll have that and the content will be better. As always, thank you so much for watching my videos. It means so much for me.